What's up, everybody? It's that one guy here. Can't really see me, but that's all good. This is what's important. So I just ordered the RAM Rail Mount. So you can get this at Amazon. I'll put the link in the description on how you can get the same mount. So what this is for is to shoot my rear-facing video. There's no this is technically an unboxing video, just to show you what comes with it. And this is really this is a good sturdy. The one I'm using right now is a plastic mount. I'm guessing this is to help protect your handlebars, but it comes with everything that I will need to fasten this baby to my handlebars. So this is kind of cool. A nice little addition here is that if I wanted to mount this on like my fork or maybe somewhere else on the bike that is too wide for this little U-mount, which actually comes with two different sizes in case whatever one your handlebar needs to fit your handlebars, is that this can mount on wherever wider surface that it needs to get mounted to, and then you can also mount your camera in other places on your bike or wherever you might want to do it. And I'm guessing this has a lot of other applications than on your motorcycle. But that is all it comes with. I mean, when I say that's all it comes with, it's quite a bit of stuff. You've got for your handlebar mount. This is I'm guessing so that it doesn't scratch your chrome or your paint on your handlebar. And yeah, this is definitely going to help me out here when I'm making videos with the rear-facing camera to have a little less camera shake. The mount that I'm using right now is plastic. It's this one here, and just get a lot of camera shake out of this. I'm hoping we can get some side-by-side video once I get this mounted up on the bike so you can see the difference in video quality. But guys, that's what you got, and we'll have some side-by-side video for you coming up. And what it's done is it hasn't eliminated the shake, obviously, altogether. But what it has done is it's eliminated it's like this, my other camera would shake so much that it would like start making this like wave picture.
Flashback.
And that was impossible to work with as far as editing goes and such. So we've got the shake going. I don't think there's any way to get rid of that just because of the nature of my motorcycle. But it's definitely a lot more usable now than it was before. So I am appreciative of that. This RAM mount is like all metal. It's super heavy duty. I am not concerned in the least about this new mount breaking. The other nice thing about this is that it's not just a hand tighten thing. I can actually get a wrench and tighten the mount on the handlebar down to the handlebar, and I can actually remove the arm here from the ball that's on the handlebars, and I can leave the ball joint here on the handlebar. That's really nice because you know, I don't have to take the whole thing off every single time. And that was one of the biggest gripes that I had about my previous mount, was that, you know, you'd have to take the whole thing off every time because I can't just leave my camera on there. But now I can just leave this little ball on there. That's a thing that I really like about this RAM mount that I have just started using. So I definitely recommend it if you're using like a plastic handlebar mount on your motorcycle or on your bicycle or whatever it might be. Check out the RAM mount. Super heavy duty, durable, and completely adjustable. I could swing this because of the two ball joints on this mount. There's so many different ways to situate this mount even though the arm is fairly long, it's like 4 inches, looks like. You know, the ball joint here and the ball joint here make it so that I can twist and turn this thing just about any way I want. And then of course on the top here, I've got the swivel back and forth for the camera. So very nice. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down there, or the like button, whatever you want to call it. And if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button right over here. If you want to check out one of my other videos and go straight to the link, you can click on one of these over here. And guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.